Greetings, Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at how you can use sticky note right here on this computer. So I want to take some quick notes. The only thing you have to do is just come right here, search bar, you're going to click. Notice when you click right here, bring up this particular area, you're going to display some app. If you notice right here, sticky note, but if you haven't seen it right here, you have to click right here and type. So you're going to click on it. Now when I click on it, notice right here, it's a loading sticky note right here. And if you notice, definitely this is what come up right here. So notice, show that plus right here. So if I click the plus, what will happen? It will display a new section for me to write. Right? If I come right here and I click on the settings, you notice it show that I can actually sign out right here. If you notice right here, general, enable inside right here, confirming before deleting. The color, you can actually change the color inside. If you come at this local scroll, you notice the different section right here. So you can come right here and go back. Here, right here, so you can take notes and all that. Very important. The X, you can actually close it. But if you notice over here, definitely, it show you that you can actually take note. But if you come right here, it show that you can actually note list, you can actually delete it. Just like that, you can actually close it. You notice you can actually insert photo. All right. I'm going to take note. All right. I'm just going to give an example. I'm going to say my name is Mark. Just like that. So notice I wanted to bold it. I can actually block it by holding the shift key. Notice if I come right here, see the B, I can actually bold it just like that. You notice it actually show up over here just the same. I can actually underline it, italic it, right? If I come right here, I can actually put a bullet right in what this show a display over here, what I wanted to do. But definitely I want to insert a photo, right? I can come right here. And when I come right here to insert the photo, notice it take me directly to my desktop. So far, I can come right over here and click. Right, I'm going to click here, that's it, photo. I'm going to come right down, that's it, open. Right here. So I'm going to select one of these photos right here. And then I'm going to click on open. Just the same. You notice it appear up here on the document just the same. And just to give it a chance that you can actually do that. So I'm going to close this completely. Right, you do this definitely. I make a mistake and you come like this, so you close it. Right, close it like that. Is it your data save? Alright, let's go back. Click right here again. And then we go back for sticky note. Just the same. Right, if you notice, the information is still there. You notice the information is still there, so you can actually access the information up here, so that you can actually search. Right here, so that you can actually take note. If you want to get rid of this note, you can click right here and click on delete. As open note. Just like that, you notice it open back right here. So this is what actually come with your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So you can actually use it up to jot in the notes and all that. You can actually go back to it. So hope you have learned something from this video. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.